So, mo itong problem. First order differential equation and applications. So, itong problem is, a small fish population in a lake grows at a rate proportional to the current population. Initially, there are 100 fish, and the population doubles in 3 months. We need to determine the population size after 6 months. So, atong gamiton nga formula is kani. The population growth can be modeled by the differential equation dp over dt is equals to k times p, where p is the population size, k is the growth constant, t is time in months. So naman tayo initial condition, which is atong initial population is given by 100. We know that the population doubles in 3 months. So, ika 3 months, himo siyang 200. Kani siya. Kani. And ang atong general solution is kaning pt is equals to p sub 0 e to the power of k times t. Then tapos and then so solve for k na lang po dayon. So mo ni siya ln2 is equals to 3 multiplied by k. So k is equals to ln2 over 3. So ato na siyang i-evaluate. Using the value of k, we can find the population after 6 months. The solution to the differential equation is ano siya? Nakani.
Ikaw nag-skin hayabos ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, char.
pt is equals to 100 e to the power of kt. So ato ra siyang substitute ang k and t is equals to 6. So p 6 is equals to 100 e ln over 3 times 6. And ang result niya dayon is 400 fish. So muna siya ang answer, 400 fish in 6 months.